It's done. What's up, people? I'm kind of tired of the wood grain, so I think I'm gonna strip it all down and you know, go back to black. I got the new Cabo throttle. We're gonna test that out too. Yo, we about to have some fun. It's gonna be a good one. We're changing it all up today. I just want to shout out at TripKush on Instagram. He let me know that the Cabo thumb throttle, the new one, this one, is actually out. I hopped on AliExpress as soon as I can, purchased one, and we're gonna be throwing that on, and I got some other accessories as well that I'm gonna throw this on to make it a little bit different. Just remember, this stuff right here is from that rubber mat. This isn't from the floorboard. It's like this weird paper sticky stuff. If you're wondering how I'm getting this off, I'm rolling it. I'm just rolling it. I'm just gonna roll all of this out. This is the HellaGrip official color colorway. Is that what they call it? Their official color colorway? I don't know. If y'all wanted the Griptape, links in the bio. It's not an affiliate link. They're just the homies. If you guys are looking for some fat sheet of Griptape that's 9x33, go grab you some HellaGrip grip. It's not this colorway, it's the black and white. So, hey man, if you're not into the color, it's your lucky day. You just let the blade do the work, you know? It will, Alright, cool. So when you put your hand down into the handle, you knuckle drag the Griptape. There you go. And that's the battery grip job. This is what's next, the clear foot fender. I do have my taillight mounted to my fender, but I think I might just like zip tie it to here. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll do something else. So now this should come out. Yeah, that was a horrible design choice. That's it. Look at that. The last little things to do. I'm putting on the old display, I'm putting on GPS, and I'm putting on a new thumb throttle. It's done. Yo! Welcome to the night squad! this the cops? What is this? Oh. What are you doing, bud? Alright, there you go. What? I've never seen that before. That didn't look like a real cop car, y'all. I'm telling you, that did not look like a real cop car. It just says police. That looked fraudulent. That looked fraudulent. Good thing you got the mask. Oh wait, is this? Oh, and it's working. It looks so good. I mean, even the replacement of the tail light. We have the whole cockpit here just looking absolutely stunning. And then to top it all off, the HellaGrip grip. It just came out so clean, paired with the new Fender. Oh man, I'm just so gassed off this. For me, it's a 10 plus. The only thing that I would change is the throttle. I really don't like the thumb throttle. It gives me like a weird hand cramp. I'd rather the full throttle. Honestly, it's so comfortable. I feel like it's you don't even need to use your wrist. You can just use your arm. You know what I mean? Like, I'm getting into throttles way too much. That's for a whole different video. Y'all be easy. Y'all stay easy. And peace.